Hi, I'm Mr. Plume, I'm Director of Maths.
And I'm Mr. Thompson, Director of Digital Media.
Really, really pleased to be out and about in the Academy last week and to see all the good things going on in PL time. You guys are obviously really getting stuck back into your stocks and shares, and it's really good to see some really strong performances.
Yeah, I went around Innovate earlier during last week, and they were really into it. I was really, really pleased to see you all taking it so seriously again.
How are your shares doing, Mr. Thompson?
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Okay, I'm looking here, and I am minus £278. I don't understand.
Any shares you've sold recently, sir?
Yeah, you're going to laugh.
Probably.
I sold Thornton's shares just before Christmas.
So in the run up to Christmas, you decided to sell Thornton's shares?
I have no idea why I did that, but they were losing money.
Yeah.
But I didn't actually make the link between chocolates, Thornton's and Christmas, which I should have done.
But however, it's an important lesson, because if they're losing money, there may be a time to sell them and cut and run and then put the money into something else to make money, maybe.
Possibly, yes. My biggest loser is I still have shares in a South American oil company that I thought was going to be taken over. It hasn't been taken over, and now it's costing me more money. And if I sold them now, I wouldn't make anything.
The thing I suppose to remember about this, Mr. Thompson, is it's not about making money or losing money. Obviously it is in terms of the competition, but it's about understanding how the market works and understanding there are ups and downs to the market and that you need to be careful.
Go on, how are you doing?
Well, I'm not one to brag, Mr. Thompson, to be honest, so I don't know if I want to talk about it, to be honest. It's a bit embarrassing to say, but that's my overall profit, £1,521 so far. But there's still time to play, of course. There's still time to improve that.
I need some help. I'm going to go around PL groups and ask.
Ask for the advice.
Okay, and we've got, I suppose now time for Geek of the Week.
Let's do Geek of the Week.
Geek of the Week. This week, Geek of the Week looks at the Nintendo DSi. For me, games should be about portability. You shouldn't just have to play them in the front room, and the DSi takes your gaming experience anywhere you go. It's a bit like the iPhone really, in that you can use your DSi to take photos and have fun with friends and also enjoy your games wherever you are. We've got these in the games room and I really, really enjoy using them. An excellent product.
Thanks very much for that, Mr. Thompson. It's really interesting to see just some more information about that. I must confess, I borrowed one of the DSIs from the games room for a weekend a few weeks back. Had a bit of a cheeky go on the brain training software,
that's brilliant.
Which looks really good for mathematical ability. So.
The Professor Layton one as well, serving logical problems. That's quite a good one, if you try that out.
I'll have to have a go.
Okay, let's talk about the IFS Share Trader Challenge.
Yeah, really exciting week last week. We got the Institute of Financial Services Student Investor Challenge kicked off. We've got 4 teams in the competition. Mm-hmm. We couldn't get any Year 10s and 11s, unfortunately, with the revision and everything else that's going on for them, the exams. But we've got kicked off. We've got 4 teams. They've got very much like the share challenge in PL time, but they've got £100,000 to spend, and there's a few other rules in terms of how much of each investment they can hold. But yeah, they've kicked it off, so it's looking good so far.
They seem really enthusiastic about it when we spoke to them Wednesday on Period 5. And if you've got them in your PL group, some of the participants, it would be a good idea to have a chat with those, with them, and keep abreast of their progress. And we'll bring you updates each week as to how they're getting along.
Excellent. Before we go and let you guys log into your stocks and shares, I just want to show you this guy, Euler, famous mathematician. And there's going to be one famous mathematician up in every single college next week. What I want you guys to do, there'll be some more information coming from your PL tutor, but all I want you guys to do is to collect some clues, which I'll give you more information about from each mathematician. And if you come and see Mr. Thompson or myself with those clues, we'll give you a stamp towards winning a prize.
Right, now it's time for you to log into your Fantasy Share Trader portfolio and to start trading stocks and shares.
Mr. Thompson might be around for some advice in a minute.
No, don't listen to me.
To take some advice rather than give some advice.
Thanks very much.
Thanks very much. Good luck, guys.
Bye-bye.